Hello student, good morning to all of you. Today we are taking some numerical based on the differentiation and related to the velocity and the acceleration. Okay, some basic numericals are: first is find velocity and acceleration of a particle whose displacement is given by first is x is equal to 5t square 6t plus 1. Second is at t equal to 3 seconds. Second is x equal to 3t square plus 7t plus 10 at t equal to 8 seconds. Similarly, the third one is displacement of a particle is given by 3t cube 4t square 2t plus 4 at t equal to 2 seconds. So these are three basic numerical based on the velocity and acceleration, which we have to calculate with the help of differential. Solution of first, what we need to calculate? We need to calculate the value of velocity and acceleration when the displacement of particle is given by this x equal to 5t square plus 6 plus 1 and time we have for this is t equal to 3 seconds. Okay, so student, we have t equal to 3 seconds and displacement x is equal to 5t square plus 6t plus 1. Okay, for this we know that velocity is rate of change of displacement, that is dx upon dt. Now we are putting the value of this x here. We get d over dt is 5t square plus 6t plus 1. क्लियर? नाउ एक क्वेश्चन फिर से हम बड़ा ही इजी फॉर्म में करेंगे, डेट इज फर्स्ट वी टेक द कॉमन्स and this operator d over dt, which is known as differential operator, is multiplied with each term. Like 5 is a numerical value, so it is taken as common d over dt t square plus 6 is also a constant, so it is taken as common and dt and it is t and plus d over dt 1. Okay, So student, we have the formula. Here I am writing the formula for you. D over dx, x to the power n is become n x to the power n minus 1. Second, we have d over dt, any constant like 1 is become 0. Okay, now we are using this, and one also I am writing for you, that is d over dt, t is 1. Okay, on using these all formula we are solving this numerical, so that 5 differentiation of t square with respect to t is 2t 2 minus 1 plus 6 into differentiation of t with respect to dt is 1, and for any constant the value is 0. On solving this we get 2 into 5 is 10 t plus 6. This is the value of velocity dx upon dt, which is we have velocity. Now we need to calculate this velocity at 3 seconds. Therefore dx over dt, for calculation of value of this velocity we are using like this: dx over dt at time t equal to 3 seconds is 10 into 3 plus 6, which we get is 30 plus 6, and which is 36 meter per second. This is velocity. Clear? Now for this question we have to calculate the acceleration, and we know the acceleration is dv over dt. So we have d over dt, and value of velocity is from this equation. We say this equation 1. So we have velocity v is equal to this value. Okay, therefore ten t plus 6. On solving this we get 10 d over dt into t plus d over dt 6. Okay, on solving this we get 10 into 1 plus 0. So we have acceleration is 10 meter per second square. This is answer of this question. So copy first solution. Okay, now we take the second question. Solution number second, in which we have displacement of particle 3t square plus 7t plus 10, and the value is calculated for t equal to 8 seconds. So that velocity is dx over dt. On putting the value of x, d over dt 3t square 7t plus 10. Therefore, dx over dt is, डायरेक्ट करेंगे स्टूडेंट, this 2 after differentiation multiply with 3, so this will become 6t plus t will become 1, so 7 into 1 and plus 0, so this we get dx over dt in term of t is 60 plus 7. This is the velocity in term of t. Now we calculate the result is dx over dt at t equal to 8 seconds. This become 6 into 8 plus 7, which is 48 plus 7. This result gives you the value is 55 meter per second, and this is velocity. This is your first result, and second we need to calculate the acceleration. For acceleration we are using this dx over dt. So we have acceleration is equal to dv over dt, and what is the value of v? So answer is v is this, so we use the value of d over dt, and the value of v is dx over dt. Therefore we are using dx over dt. Now what is value of dx over dt? So answer is dx over dt is 60 plus 7. Therefore acceleration d over dt is 60 plus 7. On solving it we get acceleration is 6 into 1 plus 0, so we get acceleration is 6 meter per second square. This is the acceleration. Calculate this also. Okay, now we solve the third question. Solution number 3, in which we have x is 3t cube 4t square 2t plus 4, and we need to calculate at t equal to 2 seconds. Therefore, velocity is dx over dt. So d over dt is 3t square 4t square 2t plus 4 3t cube. Okay, now on solving this, dv over dt is again very easy, is 3 into 3t square plus 4 into 2t plus 2 into 1 plus 0. On calculating it, we get 9t square plus 8t plus 2. This is dx over dt. Now we need to calculate this at t equal to 2 seconds. Therefore, dx over dt at t equal to 2 seconds is 9 into 2 to the power 4 plus 8 into 2 plus 2, which we get 36 plus 16 plus 2, that is 54. Therefore, velocity is 54 meter per second. Okay, now acceleration is A is equal to rate of change of velocity, that is dv over dt, and d over dt v has value dx over dt. Now d over dt is 9t square plus 8t plus 2, 9t square plus 8t plus 2. On solving it, we get 18t plus 8. This is dv over dt. Now we need to calculate it for 2 seconds. Therefore, dv over dt at t equal to 2 seconds is 18 into 2 plus 8, which we get 36 plus 8, that is 44 meter per second square. This is acceleration. So calculate this. So student, this is how we use differentiation in the physics as calculation of velocity and acceleration of a particle moving with a given displacement, which is actually the displacement is a function of time, and which is an algebraic equation. like all these above three questions. Okay, now we are taking another numerical. Okay student, next we have a numerical, the displacement of a particle moving along x-axis is given by x equal to 8t plus 5t square in meter. Calculate first instantaneous velocity at time t equal to 2 seconds, average velocity at time t equal to 2 seconds and t equal to 3 seconds, and next we need to calculate the instantaneous acceleration. Okay, for solution of this numerical, again we have to take the help of differentiation. Therefore we have x is equal to 8t plus 5t square, and we have time t1 equal to 2 seconds and time t2 equal to 3 seconds. What we need to calculate? So we need to calculate that we have to find one is instantaneous velocity, average velocity and acceleration. These three quantity we need to calculate. For solving this, first we have velocity is equal to, instantaneous velocity is equal to dx over dt. Therefore value of x is 8t plus 5t square. So we solve this. 8 plus 10t, this is the velocity. Therefore instantaneous velocity is v is equal to dx over dt at time t equal to 2 seconds is 8 plus 10 into 2. We get velocity is 28 meter per second. This is the velocity. Okay, now we need to calculate. Third is average velocity. Average velocity we need to calculate, student, for time t1 and time t2. So t1 we calculate here, t2 we are going to calculate now. So this is velocity dx over dt at t equal to 3 seconds. Therefore we have 8 plus 10 into 3. This we get velocity is equal to 38 meter per second. This is velocity at, this is we said at v1 and this is we said at v2. Okay. Now average velocity. Average velocity is v2 minus v3, or we say change in velocity is v2 minus v1 2 times t2 minus t1. So we have 38 minus 28 upon time is 3 minus 2, that we get average velocity is 10 meter per second. Okay. Okay student, that we done with a different method which is for the average speed, but we have to calculate the average velocity. Therefore we have x is equal to 8t plus 5t square. Therefore x1 is 8 into 2 plus 5 into 2 square. We solve it, we get 16 plus 20, which is x1 is equal to 36 meter. Similarly x2 is 8 into 3 plus 5 3 square, which we get 24 plus 9 into 5 is 45, and on solving we get x2 is 69 meter. Now the average velocity is change in displacement, that is x2 minus x1 upon t2 minus t1, which is 69 minus 36 upon 3 minus 2. Therefore average velocity is 33 meter per second. Earlier we calculate the change in velocity, that is acceleration. Okay, and the third part is acceleration, which is dv over dt, that is d over dt. Value of v is 8 plus 10 t. On solving it we get 10 into 1, which is a is equal to 10 meter per second square. This is the instantaneous acceleration. Earlier we also calculate the average velocity is 10, and we are calculating that the change in velocity. We are calculating actually acceleration, but we need to calculate the displacement. Okay, so this is your answer for this question. Thank you. Copy it in your notebook. Thank you.